Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Brussels Motor Show taking a look at the new DS number 8. So this is the new flagship model from DS, an SUV coupe looking gorgeous. So unique styling, avant-garde look. Let's start here on the front where you can see the beautiful illuminated grille, illuminated DS logo, and then also you see the gorgeous headlights. So the DS PIXELVISION headlights with the lovely lighting signature and impressive technology. Now the car is finished in the dual tone, but you see also we have the bonnet in black as well as the roof and the mirrors. Now tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. 4.82 meters is the length of the car. We have the large wheels, so let me show you the wheels from close with the dual tone finish. The dimension of the tires, let me just find it. Here it is, 255/40 R21, so 21-inch wheels. And now we come here from the rear. Look at this angle, for example. Look how impressive does it look from here. The taillights have the distinctive look, and also they are similar to the headlights, so that is very cool in my opinion. Then the C-pillar, very pronounced. The door handle for the rear that is hidden over there, and yeah, here is how it looks from the rear with the DS Automobiles lettering and the naming of the car, so DS number 8. Definitely looking gorgeous. It will be so impressive to see this on the road. And you see lower section of the bumper is finished in black. And now we are ready to check out the trunk space. In order to open the tailgate, press this, and here we are greeted with 620 liters of space, so loads of room. Here you have the net, so you can put smaller things in here, and then also what you can do is pull this and you have extra room down there. So yeah, overall very practical car. You will be able to fit a lot of luggage in here. 12-volt power supply here on the left, and I think now we are ready to check out the interior of the car, which you will see it's also very unique, very avant-garde and modern. Alright, in order to get in, so when you have the key, the door handles will pop out like this, and then you are ready to go. So for example, I will start here with the door panel, because the door panel itself looks like a piece of art. I mean, just look at the buttons here and the materials. We also have impressive sound system, Electra 3D by Focal. And here is the door pocket with decent amount of room. Now, DS lettering greeting you upon entering the car, and look at this. So this is the interior. Take a look at the seats with the DS logo in here, and they are so nice and comfortable. Now let's see it from driver's perspective. Starting with the wider view, X shape of the steering wheel, then digital cockpit, main touchscreen, and you see also here like the main bridge looking very cool. Now let me show you more details and different view. Digital cockpit in front of the driver, the 10.25-inch one, and here we have a generous 16-inch touchscreen, as you can see, nicely integrated into the dashboard itself. That also looks like a piece of art. I mean, this is so nice, and I can imagine that the drive in this is so smooth, and you have this beautiful ambient around you, and of course the impressive comfort. The air vents are located in here and also on the sides, so you can see it here. This bridge has got this cool pattern. This is the gear selector for the automatic transmission. Volume has got the physical buttons here and also on the steering wheel as well. And yeah, well, the home button and drive mode selector, also the buttons, so that is cool. The huge amount of room in here below this central bridge, and here the cup holder, and also additional room, plenty of space in here as well. Speaking about space, Also here, decent amount of room. And also the car has got the digital rear view mirror. So there we go. This is the view from camera. And if you want to use the standard mirror, of course you can do it. Just press and actually push this. So yeah, the infotainment system, you have different views, and you can configure all the things by yourself. So you can configure the pages how you like them, and then you know, have different things here on this generous 16-inch touchscreen. So that is very cool. And then here on the side you see you have the temperature, and yeah, well, that is it. You also have some physical buttons here in the lower section. Hazard lights are here, electronic parking brake, start button. And tell me in the comments, how do you like this layout here? And I think we are now ready to check out the rear bench. But before that, actually, lights here, but I want to show you this panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the rear. And here you have the sun visors. Look at the speakers here as well. There we go. And now let's explore the situation at the rear bench. Now I will show you the hidden door handle in action. So this is how you open the rear door. And this is how the rear bench looks. And I mean, just look at the materials here and the attention to details, as well as the way that this looks. Like the door panel itself looks so nice. The situation here at the rear, plenty of room left. And here is the storage compartment. You can adjust the AC here. 12-volt power supply, USB ports. The view at the front, and then in the middle, the armrest with the cup holders. The situation for my head, so as you can see, still some room left on 1.87 m, and I'm definitely very comfortable here at the rear of this new DS number 8. Now let's talk about the technical details of the car. It sits on the STLA medium platform. There are 3 powertrain options, so this is an electric car, 3 electric options, either the front wheel drive or the all wheel drive, and there are 2 battery sizes. Now let's check out the spec for the model in our video. So this is the version with 230 horsepower and a 97.2 kilowatt-hour battery. Top speed is 190 kilometers per hour, 8 seconds to reach 100, and yeah, 4 meters 82 is the length. And also, so the pricing starts here for the front wheel drive version Palace from 58,016 euros. So these are the prices for Belgium, I guess. And the price of the model in our video is here, so 75,176 euros. You can see the details that we have here. The crystal pearl is the name of the color, and then you also have this gloss black bonnet, and the door as well as the mirrors, and yeah, the details over there as well. Now you can pause the video here to see all the details that we have here. So the car has got the DS active scan suspension, and yeah, the LUMINASCREEN, the illuminated front grille, and then extended head-up display, PIXELVISION lights that you saw, and yeah, definitely impressive technology in this one. So I want to hear your thoughts. And I've turned on the lights and the indicators, so we will now do a walk around with them turned on, and just look at the shape of the indicators. So modern and unique. And this is how it looks from the rear. So this section here. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it?